outside the boat. And the young will choose that boat, and the adult will try to pick it up on the preservation solution that allows the heart to run more tolerant to allow the blood supply, which happens to be good, and also to the console machine to circulate blood through the heart, keep it warm, and start beating again. So it's really quite simple. No one's going to leave it once the heart stops to be able to restart.